Hi, I'm the BossProblemBuster, founder of the Pay Raise Commando, a senior organizational consultant of 24 years, having worked across cultures, industries, and ranks with 7,250 employees trained between us, my team and I. I'm also a social psychologist with a master's and a bachelor's degrees, both with honors. My team and I train passed over corporate professionals like you to get that pay raise and promotion you're overdue for, so that you can finally kill your Monday blues before you sink further and bring your inner joy back, which is the best part of my job and the goal of this channel. Kill your Monday blues and bring your inner joy back. Now, back to the salt mines. Okay, now we get to a controversial fix. Fix number 3 is going to sound surreal, but hear me out. Remember, I'm geared only in your favor. I have nothing to gain by you doing this or not doing this. So here it is. Number 3, sign a prenup. Relax. You don't literally have to sign it. Secondly, I'm not talking about a legal document. Thirdly, you're not getting married as of yet, so obviously it is not a literal prenuptial. It is just a term we all know, so I'm using it to help you instantaneously get the gist of it. Hence on, let's call it a POR, a pre-office romance agreement. Fourthly, it doesn't even have to be an agreement per se, as long as it is a discussion, and open and periodically revisited discussion between you two. When should you implement it? The moment your relationship becomes serious. Now, what does such a POR, pre-office romance agreement / discussion, consists of? Anything and everything that might arise between you two. And don't worry, it doesn't all have to be upfront. It is a dynamic thing. You can add to it, detract from it, redact it, so change it as you go along and as circumstances at the office, as well as in your relationship, evolve or change. So the POR I'm proposing consists of whatever you want it to. However, assuming you are both driven professionals, there are 3 initial issues that are not optional, so you must address them. 1, who would leave if it came to it? 2, who would apply for a promotion or make the boss aware that they are seeking one, since you cannot both get it? We have discussed this in depth here, if you'd like a reminder. So who would apply should the opportunity arise? And it will arise sooner or later, so the longer your office romance goes on for, the more probable this is an issue you will encounter. The third initial issue you must address in your POR, pre-office romance agreement / discussion, is what happens if one of you gets a pay raise higher than the other one? How would this affect your relationship with each other and with your boss? Here are some considerations to help you navigate all these intricate matters. For example, a consideration you could discuss and agree on to help you navigate the first awkward issue I mentioned before, which was whom would have to leave if it came to it. Well, such a consideration could be seniority at the company as a whole, or specifically at the current position. You can decide whatever you want on how this consideration plays out. For example, the more senior one would stay, or maybe the more senior one would leave because maybe they have a better chance of finding another job elsewhere. So the key to creating your own POR, completely custom made by you two for you two, is think of the issues that might arise at the intersection of your career ambitions and your relationship, and then think of considerations to help you come up with a potential solution to that potential issue that seems reasonable to you too. Hey, I didn't say it was easy, I said it was smart. The whole point is to have an open discussion about those very likely realities while the relationship is going well, because it is only during these times that you can actually come up with fair and reasonable solutions to these intricate and awkward issues. Once everything goes sour between schmoopies of any relationship, not just yours, it gets to be about revenge or screwing up the other party, which is why this whole POR agreement / discussion I'm suggesting, made in the honeymoon phase of your relationship, is really not as surreal as you might have originally thought. And I know it's a bit out there, but I'm putting the rationale before you. Remember, the whole point of this deck, of this entire Pay Raise Commando channel, is to tell you things nobody else will, ever. If you'd like the full transcript of this video and all the videos on this channel, see the link in the description. It's on our website, BossProblemBuster.com, because it's too long to paste here, so not a trick to get you there. But if you do hop over, you'll find many practical reads and a forum where you can discreetly and anonymously ask us anything in regards to landing that promotion and pay raise, to which we reply very quickly. Each video drops inconvenient truth bombs on you right, left, and center, all very direct, pragmatic, and very much non-PC. No fluff, no bullshit. So, if you'd like to get a promotion with a pay raise, or a pay raise independent of a promotion, kill your Monday blues and bring your inner joy back, and if you can handle the truth, you can handle the truth. I'm channeling Jack Nicholson. Then subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so that we can meet again. And until then, go back to work. You know I can't help you get that promotion and pay raise if you don't actually do the job.